parentheses stock market on the Amiga. Let's see if we can apply some of our basic trading philosophies on this game. Played this once before. Let's turn that down a bit. And I doubled the account after the first go, so this will be my second go. Shamefully I didn't record it, so we can repeat the process. So this is a stock market simulation game, and I think it was released in the 1980s. Don't want to read the instructions. How many players? 1. And what's my name? I don't know. M. Douglas. So the market's open, and I think there's like 10 rounds. And you just got to choose a stock. So these are all familiar names. If you press A, you can see your assets. So we've got $50,000. And if you press G, you can see the graphs. Of course, yes, there's 10 rounds, so as each round progresses the charts will build, so there's nothing to see at the moment. If you press S, you'll go through the stocks. So there's 0 to 100, and when it breaks through 140 the stocks will split, I've noticed, and they can go bankrupt as well. So the current price 69 and last price. So let's pick something in an uptrend, I think. Oh, they're all the same. Let's pick something which is just past the major round number. Western Union, let's pick that one. And we'll buy a small position. So how much we got? We can buy 423. How? 3 shares. How much do you want to spend? Well, let's put in a pilot position. It was 10%, and we'll spend 5,000. There we go. So let's pick something else. I only bought one stock last time. Let's do Coca-Cola. And another 5,000. So we want to see if they hold these major round numbers. I think that'll do for now. So let's end the turn. It's the end of the day. And it's the next day. And it's a bear market. So what we've got Coca-Cola and something else. Western Union. Steel industry is hit by the president's tax proposal. US Steel Corp down 6. Ford Motor Company down 12. Alcoa down 10. Guess these are all electrical electrical metal companies, or that use steel and metal, all worth 1. Okay, let's see what our stocks have done. Well, Ford's bankrupt. Western Union and Coca-Cola have done nothing. Mobil Oil, that's the other one that I might go into. General Electric, that was up 17. So I think we'll buy that one. Let's have a look at the chart. So yeah, those are in a downtrend. Western Union, that's one of ours. Coca-Cola, that's one of ours. Oh, we've gone past General Electric, but we know that was up, so let's return. There's a bear market, but some things do go up during a bear market, so let's have a look at General Electric, a utility. I suppose it's a flight to safety, I suppose. So we want to buy another $5,000 pilot position, just 5%. So let's end turn. It's a very simple game. Right, let's see the news. Bear market. It's still a bear market. General Electric, that's one of ours. To invest in 2 nuclear power plants. Investors are a little skeptical. Oh dear, that's not so good. General Electric up 16. Woohoo! American Motors up. US Steel, and they're back up again. Ford Motors up. Well, they're bankrupt. Purely fictional, of course. This is. Any names used is purely coincidental. Western Union, that's one of ours. We're up. And yeah, don't know if this game's too easy, but we're just applying a trading system that I've always used, and we seem to be doing quite well. So let's have a look. Western Union, that was up, so that's cleared the 100 area and is staying above 100. Coca-Cola, that's up 7. And General Electric has obviously gone beyond 140 and it's split 4 for 1. So at the moment it's at 59. So I want to see it hold the 50 area. That's the new price of the shares. So if it goes beneath that, we'll sell. So let's have a look at the charts. I'll just go straight to the ones that we own. Western Union, there we are. As long as it clears this 0, that's 100. And if it clears the 150, we'll raise our stop. So we'll stick with that one. Coca-Cola, that's in an uptrend. As long as it stays above this 100 area. I should put a 1 there really, in front of the zeros. And what else have we got here? General Electric, which is just split. Doing well. So let's write this down because I'm not going to remember this. So Western Union, we want to hold the 100 area. Next target will be the 150, and then 200 and so on. Coca-Cola, hold the 100 area, and General Electric holds the 50. So we're doing really well here, can't believe it. Let's see how much our portfolio is worth. This is the second time I played it. I haven't played this like a million times and chosen the best games out of this. So we're up 8,000 here. Is that right? So that's not too bad. Early days. So let's end the round. Don't know how long this is going to go on for. Could be a half an hour. Oh, now we're in a bull market. Adjustable rate mortgages are gaining again. Now that the interest rates on fixed rate mortgages have increased to between 10.5 to 11%. I'm not sure what that means for our stocks really. Lockheed Corp up 10, General Motors up 6, Ford Motor up 9, US Steel up 5, AT&T up 17, Coca-Cola, that's one of ours, up again, that's fantastic. No idea what the recording time is, I'm just trying to look for it. Oh no, General Motors, not Ford Motors, I beg your pardon. That went bankrupt. This fictional one, that is. So look, Western Union hasn't done anything. We're still at 126. I'll write this down. Coca-Cola, that was up 1. General Electric up 19 to 95. Fantastic. There we are. Oh, the last price was 76, not 56. So yeah, still got held the 50 area. It's at 95 at the moment. So that's pretty good. Let's have a look at the assets. So we started off with 50,000. We're worth 61,000 odd. Let's have a look at the charts. Steel's bouncing. That's Western Union, that's one of ours. It's just a bit of flat at the moment, but no reason to sell. Coca-Cola, doing about the same thing, no reason to sell, but small gains better than nothing. General Electric, where are you? So it's had a stock split, remember? So we want to make sure it holds the 50 area. I'm a bit confused here really, because if it's had a stock split it should be up here. So there's no reason to sell there. Yeah, so let's end the turn. Don't need to do anything. We're in the money. Oh, Twin Towers are there. My goodness. Now we're in a bear market. I mean, who decides it's a bear market? The Soviet Union last week began its pullout of 8,000 troops. Well, sure, that's bullish. Sun Oil up 31, RCA down 25, Lockheed up 11, General Mills down 33. That's not affecting any of ours. Ford up 23, American Airlines down 27, Sun Oil down 27, RCA down 27. These are big moves. Lockheed down 27, General Mills down 27, Ford down 27, American Airlines down 27. These are big moves. Any dividends for any of our stocks? Nope. I may need to increase my portfolio by 30%. That's the minimum aim in this game. That's my personal sort of target. So Western Union, we're down. So still holding the 100 area. We're gonna not sell that one. Coca-Cola we are going to sell. It's down 100 from 111 to 97. So I've not done a sell before, so let's press that. How many do you want to sell? All our shares. We're getting out. And what's the other stock we've got? General Electric. Hasn't done anything since the last round. So let's have a look at the charts. Someone's gone bankrupt as well there. So let's have a look at Coca-Cola. So we're about halfway through the game now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more rounds to go. Yes, let's have a look at Coca-Cola. Bit of technical analysis. So we want to see it hold the 100 area. It hasn't held, and it's broken past it. So we're out of this. So if it clears the 100 area, we'll be back in again. Yeah, but I doubt we'll be, because this game's fairly short. As it's a bull market, it's saying in inverted commas. Let's buy something else, I think. Woolworth is at the 100 area, but it might break it. It's at 103. We want to buy something with the trend, so until it turns around, we won't buy anything going against us. Don't think there's anything interesting here, major round number wise. So we'll maybe add to our position on something, shall we? Western Union. No, that's in a pullback, so we're not going to do anything with that one. General Electric, 95. Hasn't cleared the 100 area, so we're not going to pyramid, so let's just end the round. We're in a bear market again. Look at those stock traders. General Mills increases their production by 25% to meet new demand in the world market. Well, how can it be a bear market? I guess it's just their opinion. General Mills up 7. I'm not sure what General Mills makes actually. Western Union up 10. That's one of ours. Fantastic. Coca-Cola's paying a dividend, but we're out of that. Not a lot of news. General Motors, they've gone. Polaroid, they went last round. What have we got on assets? Let's have a look. 63,000. We've got Western Union, General Electric. So put a star there. Let's see what they've done. Western Union up to, from 108 to 133. It's not past the next major round number at 150, so we'll just hold on to that one. General Electric, that's up as well, 110 now, from 95 to 110. So let's add to our position on that one. Well, we don't want to sell. Let's escape. Can we escape? Oh, we've sold it all apparently. Well, it hasn't charged us, so let's pretend we didn't sell it, and we'll buy. Well, we would have added on the 5,000, so let's buy 10,000. I'm not going to go all in. Alright, let's check the assets now, and let's write this down. It's got to hold the 100 area now. Okay, that's fine. We're not being very aggressive with it here at all. Sun Oil actually is clearing the 100 area, so let's buy that one. 92 to 104. Let's have a quick look at the chart actually. I could play this without looking at the charts at all. General Motors has been in a downtrend for all of this game. No reason to buy. Ford Motor, so if it clears the 50 area, then we'll have a look at it. I mean, you can see that there. US Steel, we could look at that too. Plenty of opportunities out here. Western Union. You can see it's tested the 100 area there and then bounced off it. Coca-Cola, good thing we sold because it hasn't done anything. Here's Sun Oil. Look at the super uptrend. I think we'll definitely buy that one. We'll just jump on board that one. So let's write that down. Sun Oil. Here it's the 100 area. Another 5%. No, sorry, 10% of our original capital. Let's see how this goes. Don't think when this chap invented or wrote this game, you know, he might have knew about trend following or Jesse Livermore, but I'm applying those sort of techniques to his game and it seems to be working. Okay, we're in a bear market still. The president receives $50 million to aid the Contra. No idea what that is. Have to look that one up. US Steel Corp down 33. Alcoa Corp up 25. Lockheed down 19. Electric Boat up 37. American Airlines down 37. US Steel down 37. Alcoa down 37. We seem to be sidestepping all this action. Not a lot going on for us. Dividend, maybe we'll get a dividend. Nope. Mobile gets $11 dividend. Okay, Let's have a look. Oh, we've got some bankruptcies here. Let's see. I can't remember what we've got. I think we've still got Western Union, haven't we? Sun Oil and General Electric. Okay, we haven't actually increased our portfolio value this round. So let's see what Western Union did. It pulled back from 133 to 115. It's still holding the 100 area, so we'll just hold on to that one. General Electric, where's that? It's just on that 100 area. Still holding it. It's 100. It was 110 last round. Now it's 100. I think we'll still hold on to it. Sun Oil, which is our new purchase, has increased by 10 points or $10 from 104 to 114. So let's go to the next round. Oh, excuse me. Bull market. The stock market crashes. Oh dear. All stocks are down. Well, good thing we've got a fair amount of cash. How can it be a bull market then? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. They've dropped. Western Union dropped nearly 50%. Jeepers. And General Electric, that's down 8 to 83, from 100 to 83. It's not too bad. And Sun Oil, oh dear, 114 to 66. If we had stops, we'd be all right. Our account is, what's that worth at the moment? Let's have a look at the assets. 56. So we're still up on this, you know. We started off with 50,000, so we've still got 56,000. So, but we're going to have to cut our losses because we don't know how long this crash will last for. So let's sell the ones that are broken past our stops. So that's Western Union. That's definitely a sell. We're going to sell all. General Electric. That's past that major round number. And we want to sell all of it. So what we got left? Sun Oil. Where's that? That means we've sold everything. Yeah, we have to sell everything. All our stops have been hit. Let's just sell the whole lot. That's that. So let's have a look at our assets. So we've got no stocks left, and we're all in cash. Let's have a look at that. So we're $6,000 up. Get my calculator out. Divided by 50,000. 6,000 divided by 50,000 times by 100. We're 12% up. That's not too bad. Let's have a look at the charts to see what this crash has done for over the world. Well, that's in a bear trend, so we're not getting that one. We're not going to pick a bottom because it can always go lower. And I know there's a simulation that might be the bottom on that chart, but in real life that's not the case. Yeah, that's awful. Awful charts. Awful. Oh dear, look at that. Definitely a bear market here. Everything's going down. In the last game I played, which I didn't record, everything was going up. And we just got unlucky with Sun Oil. We just bought it and then the market just turned around. And we're coming. There's only 3 more rounds left. It's not good. Electric Boat Company. Now that looks interesting. It's going up to the 100 area there. So let's see what the price is, and we might buy that. Why would anyone buy electric boats? Okay, I think we've seen everything. Electric boats. That's the only one that's up as well, actually. So let's buy that one. Not everything goes down in the bear market. So electric boat. We want to see it hold the 100 area. Okay. So let's buy that one. It's a breakout. Come on. We're gonna spend 5,000 pilot position as well, and we're gonna just check the assets. Cool, that's fine. That's worked out. Let's end around. So this is basically the mechanics of this game. And now we're back in a bull market. It's probably the bounce. Sun Oil Company, which we sold, loses its largest drilling rig. Oh dear. Well, I'm glad we sold out in the North Atlantic. All the crew was rescued. No casualties. Doesn't say what the stock did though. US Steel Corp down 29. General Motors up 11. Mobile Oil Company down 35. AT&T up 31. And Maytag down. Didn't know that was a company on there. Down 19. Western Union up 13. Alcoa, I have heard of them. They make aluminium. Down 31. American Airlines up 25. US Steel up 25. General Motors up 25. Mobile Oil Company up 25. AT&T up 25. Maytag up 25. Western Union up 25. Alcoa up 25. I think it's bouncing now. American Airlines up 25. Dividends Woolworth 1. Dividends Mobile Oil 7. Okay, we've only got Electric Boat Company in our portfolio, and that didn't hold the 100 area. It was 102 last round and it's 73 now, so we are going to have to cash out that one. That's a shame. We're going to sell all of it. So we've cut our losses. We're still nearly £5,000 up. So better than just leave it in the bank. But we need a really fantastic run because there isn't much time left. There's only 2 more rounds left. So we need to pick a winner. This is going to be crucial. So let's pick something that's been going up. That's near a major round number. Western Union. Let's go back to that one. It's cleared the 50 areas. It was 56. Now it's 69. And I don't think there's anything else. So Western Union. Let's look at the chart quickly. These are awful charts. Don't want to be buying downtrends. We're just unlucky with Electric Boat Company. We just bought it and then the trend ended. Oh dear, awful charts. Awful, awful. This is a tough game. I think we've gone past what we wanted. What do we want to buy again? Oh, Western Union. Yes, our first stock. Sorry. It's a good game. I like it. Here we are. Bit of overhead resistance there. I don't like the chart actually. So that's not good. AT&T. Meh. Not giving us a signal there. So is there anything that's in a breakout? I don't think so. No breakouts of any of these. They're all in a downtrend. That's not good. There's one that's on the bottom that's crawling there. Let's see if we can find that again. Not that one. Not that one. General Motors. It's a forced trade. General Motors. Is that 10? It's got to hold this low. I can't remember what the stock value was. Let's have a look. General Motors. Oh dear. Is it? Literally, if it goes any more, it'll be bankrupt. Okay, let's do it. Bye. That's our last hope. Taking a while to load. 5,000. I'll stick with that. We're not going to go all in. I mean, if this gets a lot of views, then I'll do another game using the same system. Just a shame I didn't double my account like I did in the last game, which I haven't videoed. Right, General Motors can only go up. Oh, American Motors expect to hire 2,000 more workers before the end of the year. Well, that'll be. That might be good for my company, as it's in the same sector. General Motors. Here we go. Nope, for General Mills. Oh, we're going to get a dividend. 19. That's fantastic. I guess each of those blocks in the graph is probably a month rather than each day that it represents. So let's have a look. General Motors. We're up 22. It was 11 we bought it at. So it's now at 33. It made like a 2-month new high there. So we are up. That's fantastic news. So it went from $11 a share to 33. Let's have a look at the chart. It hasn't gone past 50, so we're not going to add to our position, unfortunately. Good thing we haven't bought any of this. Here we are. So we've got one more round left, one more month, I suppose. And it was turning up, so it was like a 2-month new high there, or even more actually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6-month new high. I presume those are months. And yeah, just applying that, to this game. And I haven't read any tip books or cheats or anything like that. It's just following the trend, and it's that simple. So let's just just watch this play out. I don't think there's anything else I want to buy at this stage. Too late in the game, so let's end this round and just watch the next one, and hopefully it'll continue going up. So follow the trend until it ends. Bull Market, Paul Volcker. He was one of the Fed chairmen, wasn't he? Will not accept a third term as the Federal Reserve Board's chairman. Delta Airlines down 31. AT&T up 25. US Steel Corp down 19. General Electric. We've got General Motors actually, not the General Electric, up 15. Delta Airlines up 15. AT&T up 15. US Steel Corp up 15. General Electric up 15. Dividends. Coca-Cola 9, which we did have at the start of this game. We'll have a quick review of the stuff we bought earlier. That might be interesting. And that's the end of the game. Whoa, 63995. I've seen better. Oh, come on. You haven't lived through zero interest rate worlds. Zero interest rate policy. If you're a fund manager and you're averaging 20% a year, that's pretty good as a professional. We'll have another go later. You can see, yeah, there we are. Position Trader. That was that's my first game, and we finished on 94,000 odd, and this is our second go, and yeah, 63,000. So I'm pretty happy with that. I don't want to zero the scores, so yeah, I hope you enjoyed that, and yeah, I'll probably play another game using the same system, and you know, that's how to do it. So thank you Eric J. Grajales for making this game. I think it was released in the 1980s. And I'm in searching for stock market type simulation games. There's another one trading lumber, which I put in another video. I think it's the last video I released. Trading the same sort of breakout trend following type system, and you know, it does appear to work. So yeah, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy trading. Bye bye.